Settings app block is used for a few very specific situations depending on the app blocks located within your app project. For example, if you're using registration as an access method and you want your app user to be able to go in and make changes to their registration later, you want to have the Settings app block available because the detail view that they would go in to make their edits or just to review is located within the Settings app block. If you are using Gimbal, your Gimbal Manager is also located within the Settings app block. Global Instructions also has the ability to be reviewed directly from the Settings app block, or you could always create a button to be able to get back to it from another area. iOS users can manage local alerts directly from the Settings app block. Android users already have that built into the app block for them because it's native. Android users, specifically if you have an RSS feed, will bring up a refresh so you can have your feed refreshed at a certain frequency. So again, the Settings app block is not necessary to have unless it falls under one of those scenarios. Click on Add New App Block. Enter your item name, which I'm typing in Settings. Click on the Settings app block and click Apply. On the configuration screen, if you want to change your display name, you can. Click Apply to save any changes you've made, and then go point your Settings app block to a button. Again, you can point your app block to whichever navigation type you're looking at, whether you have a flyout menu, tabs, a list menu, or you're just putting it on the home canvas. Just make sure that you point it to a button. So I'm going to drag and drop a button over here. I'm using a text button. I'm going to type Settings and then point my Settings app block to it. And that's how you create your Settings app block. There are no pages for you to go in and design. Just configure, point it to a button, and you're done.